The F-22 Raptor is one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, designed and built by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force. As a fifth-generation fighter, it combines stealth, speed, agility, and situational awareness, along with deadly long-range air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. For aviation enthusiasts and military technology followers on YouTube, the F-22 represents the pinnacle of air dominance and cutting-edge defense innovation. This aircraft is not only a symbol of American air superiority but also a marvel of engineering that continues to captivate viewers with its powerful visuals and unmatched capabilities. At the heart of the F-22 is its twin-engine design, powered by Pratt & Whitney F-119 PW100 turbofan engines with afterburners and thrust-vectoring nozzles. These engines provide an unprecedented level of maneuverability, allowing the jet to perform complex aerial maneuvers such as the Pugachev's Cobra and the Herbst maneuver. Thrust vectoring, combined with the aircraft's aerodynamic design, gives the F-22 superior agility in dogfight situations. On YouTube, slow-motion replays and high-definition footage of the F-22 performing at air shows showcase its raw power and finesse, often leaving viewers in awe of its aerial acrobatics. Stealth is another defining feature of the F-22. Its radar cross-section is extremely low, making it nearly invisible to radar detection. This is achieved through a combination of angular design, radar-absorbent materials, and internal weapon bays that prevent radar reflection from protruding armaments. Viewers are often fascinated by how the F-22 can enter contested airspace, eliminate threats, and exit without ever being seen. Many YouTube videos highlight simulated combat scenarios and real-world exercises demonstrating how the Raptor engages enemies before they even know it's there. The cockpit of the F-22 is equipped with the state-of-the-art avionics suite that gives the pilot unmatched situational awareness. A combination of radar systems, sensor fusion, and data links allows the pilot to track multiple targets across vast distances. This information is displayed on advanced screens that reduce workload and enhance decision-making and combat. YouTube channels often feature virtual tours of the F-22's cockpit, giving viewers a glimpse of the technology that allows the pilot to dominate in air combat. Some pilots even share first-hand experiences through interviews and mission briefings, adding depth to the understanding of this powerful platform. In terms of armament, the F-22 is equipped with 6 AIM-120mm missiles and 2 AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles for air-to-air combat, all housed internally to maintain stealth. It also features a 20mm M61A2 Vulcan rotary cannon for close-range engagements. For ground attack missions, it can carry precision-guided bombs such as the GBU-32 Jdat. YouTube videos often explore these weapon systems in detail, breaking down how they function, how they are deployed, and the strategic advantages they provide. Some creators use 3D animations and simulations to visually explain the process of weapon deployment in both stealth and active combat scenarios. What truly makes the F-22 stand out in videos is not just its performance, but also its role in modern warfare. It was initially developed to counter advanced threats from rival nations and to establish absolute air superiority. Though it has never been exported, the F-22 has participated in a number of joint exercises and has been deployed in missions in the Middle East, where it demonstrated its ability to strike high-value targets with pinpoint accuracy while remaining undetected. Footage from these operations, declassified training exercises, and aerial refueling missions provide compelling content that keeps YouTube audiences engaged. The design of the F-22 also draws a lot of attention for its futuristic and intimidating appearance. Its sleek lines, sharp edges, and menacing silhouette against the sky make for visually stunning content. Drone footage, slow pans during takeoff, and high frame rate video of afterburners blazing through the night sky create cinematic sequences that attract millions of views. YouTube creators often enhance these visuals with dramatic music, commentary, and comparisons to other jets like the F-35 or Russian Su-57, sparking lively discussions in the comments section. Moreover, the F-22 is a topic of ongoing fascination due to its mysterious nature. With many of its capabilities classified, it remains partly shrouded in secrecy, which adds to its mystique. YouTube documentaries and speculative content attempt to piece together its full potential based on pilot interviews, leaked footage, and defense analyses. These videos often ask intriguing questions. How would the F-22 fare in a dogfight with emerging Chinese or Russian fighters? Could it be upgraded with sixth-generation technologies? How long will it remain in service before it is replaced? In the realm of YouTube content, the F-22 Raptor is more than just a machine, it's a storytelling goldmine. From action-packed flight demonstrations to technical deep dives and expert interviews, it provides endless material for creators and fans alike. Whether the video is a cinematic tribute or a detailed analysis, the F-22 continues to dominate not only the skies but also the digital battlefield of military aviation content. Its legacy, both in real-world defense and online media, ensures that the Raptor will remain a centerpiece of aviation fascination for years to come.